Welcome to my presentation on Opptops Candy Company. My name is Caitlin Gums, and I will be presenting my marketing plan for my candy bar, Tater Top. My company name is Opptops Candy Company, and my mission statement is to provide a high level of service and a burst of flavor to customers by mixing opposites together. I chose Opptops to be the name of my company because my favorite candy bar is the Take 5 bar, where they mix sweet and salty flavors together. Since sweet and salty are considered to be opposites, I came up with the name Opptops. I chose this mission statement because I believe that good customer service is important to getting your product out there and actually making sales. My candy bar mixes opposites together, so that's why I chose to add the word opposites into my mission statement. My primary target market is age ranges 24 to 38, and the generation name is Generation Y, and they're also considered millennials. The income level for my target market would be the middle class or middle income. And the geographic location for my product rollout is the Midwest, so that's like Wisconsin, Minnesota, Illinois, Michigan, Kansas, Ohio. And then the lifestyle for millennials who live in the Midwest, and they're adventurous and they enjoy being outdoors, such as hikers, hunters, campers, and fishermen. My candy bar name is Tater Top, and the main ingredients are milk chocolate, potato chips, caramel, and peanut butter. The size is 2 ounces. I chose the name Tater Top to be my candy bar name because my candy bar is topped with crushed up potato chips, so they're sprinkled on top. So the cost of production, which is the cost that I encountered as the manufacturer, is 75 cents per bar. The wholesale cost to the retailer per bar, which is the price that me as the manufacturer sells the bar to the retailer, is $1.20 per bar. My profit as the manufacturer is 45 cents per bar and 37.5%. So the suggested retail price, or SRP, to the consumer per bar is $1.89. So that's the price that the consumer purchases the bar from the retail location at. The retailer profit based on the suggested retail price is 69 cents per bar and 36.5%. So that is the profit that the retailer makes for every sale that they make to the customer. The first competitor of mine is Take 5, and their main ingredients are milk chocolate, peanuts, caramel, pretzels, and peanut butter. Their price per bar for a regular size is $1.59, and for a king size, it's $1.99. My bar is different because my bar uses potato chips, which are crushed up and sprinkled on top of the bar and not in the bar, where Take 5, they have pretzels that are in the bar itself. My bar also does not contain peanuts. Stores in my rollout area, which the Take 5 bar is sold at, is Fleet Farm and Triggs. My second competitor is Chihuahua's Chocolatiers Potato Chip Chocolate Bar. Their main ingredients are milk chocolate, kettle-cooked potato chips, and sea salt. Their price per bar, they have one size per bar, and it's a 2.8 ounce bar, and the price of that is $6. My bar is different because my bar has more ingredients such as peanut butter and caramel, and it is a smaller size for a better price. So with my bar, they wouldn't have to buy such a big bar because they may not be able to eat it all or finish it all. And Chihuahua's Chocolatiers Potato Chip Chocolate Bar is sold mainly online, but also at some Walmart stores. The first retail outlet that I plan to sell my bar is at Fleet Farm. There are several stores located through the Midwest, and my target market likes the outdoors, and Fleet Farm sells a lot of hunting and fishing and other outdoor activity equipment. So a lot of outdoorsy people shop at Fleet Farm. My second retail location is Gander Outdoors, which is also located in the Midwest. There's several stores that I know of that are in Wisconsin and um, Minnesota. And Gander Outdoors sells a lot of outdoor equipment, so the target market shops here a lot as well. So for my SWOT analysis, some internal strengths that I discovered is that my product rollout location is a strength because the target market is people who like to do outdoor activities such as hunting and fishing, which is popular in the Midwest. The second strength is my candy bar is a new product with an ingredient combination that many people probably haven't tried before. So a lot of people, they eat like Take 5 bars, so they're used to like the regular pretzel and chocolate combination. So not many people probably have tried the potato chip and chocolate combination before. Some internal weaknesses of mine is that I lack marketing skills. I don't really have a lot of marketing experience, as this is the first marketing class that I've taken. And the second weakness is that I lack IT knowledge and technology troubleshooting. So I'm not very like efficient on computers. Like I don't have a lot of skills like most IT people would have. Some external opportunities that I found. The first one is a recent trend, which is the sugar-free and low-fat candy bars. And this is an opportunity for me because a lot of people take their health seriously and they try to eat healthy. So when they go on diets, they want to eat like sugar-free foods and low-fat options. So providing these options for my consumers would help expand my business. A second external opportunity would be that I could start selling my product online so that it is offered in other locations rather than only the Midwest. My external threats, the first one, there are many competitors who have better marketing skills and can make their product more known and popular than mine. And the second one, prices change all the time, so competitors may offer a better price on their candy bar. My slogan is a hunger quencher for every adventure. And I chose this slogan because it's like my target market is for people who are outdoorsy and they like to go on adventures and be adventurous. And my candy bar is meant to be taken as a snack when hunting, fishing, hiking, camping, or doing other outdoor activities. So when people go hunting, if they want to have a quick snack while they're sitting in the tree stand, they can take my candy bar with them and it'll quench their hunger for their adventure. Some media platforms that I plan to use to get my product out there, some magazines are Field and Stream, Outdoor Life, and other outdoorsy magazines because my target market, they're outdoor people. Newspapers would be Outdoor News. Some TV shows would be Outdoor Wisconsin, Midwest Outdoors, and Major League Fishing. So I could promote my product through commercials on these TV shows. And some radio stations would be Midwest Radio 96.1 FM and 101.9 WDEZ. So they could probably give a shout out to my candy bar. And some social media platforms would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Some consumer promotions of mine, the types of coupons would be 50 cents off when you buy 2 bars, and then buy 3 bars, get 1 pack of hand warmers for free. And this offer is available November 1st through December 31st. I came up with this offer because I know a lot of people, they get cold when they go ice fishing or when they have to sit in the tree stand while they're hunting. So providing a pack of hand warmers for free when they buy 3 bars through November 1st to December 31st, since this is the prime time for ice fishing and snowmobiling. So that's when it's usually very cold out in the Midwest. So some sales that I'd be running is buy 2 bars for $3. So it'd be 2 for $3. Some displays would be to set a case of bars on the counter next to the cash register. And another promotion for the consumer would be a punch card. So if they buy 5 bars, they would get the 6th one free. And the rules for that is that it's available at most retail locations, and they must ask the cashier at a participating store for a punch card. And then when they buy a bar, they should hand their punch card to the cashier each time, and the cashier will give them 1 punch on their card for every bar that they buy. Once the card is filled, they can hand the card to the cashier to receive their free bar. So some trade promotions that I would be running for my candy bar, the allowances would be buy 4 cases of 20 bars and they would get 1 case of 20 bars for free. And the second allowance would be buy 2 cases and save $10. A display money promotion, if the retailer buys 2 cases of bars and displays them next to the cash register as a little reward, they would get $7.50 off per case. And for the ad co-op money, they would receive 40% off of each of their next 3 purchases of any amount if I'm able to hang an advertisement poster on the front door or front window of the store or near the cash register where a lot of customers will see it. Here is a picture of my candy bar wrapper. As you can see, I have a camouflage background because my target market are outdoorsy, so they usually will probably be wearing camouflage a lot when they go bow hunting or small game hunting. I also added some clip art of a fish and of a deer on there because it just fits with what my target market is doing. And I have my slogan on here and the 2 ounce. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you.